Hi, this is Sherry with another Melon Minute. Today we're going to make watermelon lemonade. It's super easy with the Nielsen Brother watermelon. It calls for 1 6-pound melon, so that's a small to medium melon. Okay, and then you want to add some fresh lime juice. I think it calls for 1/4 cup, but you can use whatever amount you like. And you just blend it up for 30 seconds to a minute. And then you want to add 2 cups of cold water, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of sugar, and mix it around till your sugar is dissolved. There you go, that's our watermelon lemonade. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.